Welcome to this lesson where we'll learn to use Figma to do these kind of UIs. Okay, so to do that, we would have to visit Figma. Okay, so this course assumes you already have a background in Figma. Okay, so we'll just go right into it. So this is our canvas or working area. The Figma has these tools, and then whatever tool you pick, it get displayed there or is layered upon the or the previous one. Okay, whatever tool you pick or shape you draw, okay, has a property on the right panel that you can tweak. So to get started, um let's see what we can do. Okay, so what do we want to do? What do we want to do? So let's work on this first. Okay, so remember in one of the lessons I made mention that we'll need free pick. Okay, some image from free pick to be able to achieve this. Okay, so to do that, let's click here. Let's say, yeah, so we've gone to free pick. You search for, let's say, animal cell or something. So this was I think this the link to it. So once I read the license and I think it's okay, I'm okay by it. Just click download, and then let's see the format. Let me just click on download. Okay, so it's down. Let me download it here. So I'll give it a file name. Okay, so once it's downloaded, I'm going to the folder. I'm going to extract it. Then there's a file. This particular file is what we want. Let me rename it properly. Okay, so UI, and then, okay, so just drag and then drop it into our Figma environment. Okay, so we have it. Let's enlarge it. Okay, so if we want the corners to be rounded like this, you can see we have these nodes here. Okay, these circles at the corners here. So basically, we can just round it by dragging it inwards. You can decide to enlarge it like this to make it bigger. Let's take this up. Then, or you can also change it by using this particular. You can see it's still getting rounded. Okay, so let's give it a value. Let me just give it a value of this one. So 101. So we'll give it a value of 101. Okay, then we'll go for our shape. Okay, so actually what we had to do was to pick the shape first, but it shouldn't be a problem. We'll drag in front of it. Okay, then we can also round in this. Now let's look at the color that was given to this. Okay, so what we can do is I can just bring this here and then right click. Okay, so remember our image is behind it. Okay, so right click and then look for bring to front. Okay, so now it's in front of it. You can highlight, so you can highlight all by selecting all or using shift hold on the shift and then multi-select by clicking on the image. Okay, and we can align them using these alignment tools. Okay. So this align vertical centers. Okay. Now I want this, that's the rectangle, to be, let's say, transparent. Okay, so see through, so you can see through the object behind it. So to do that, we'll have to go to fill. Let's try reducing the opacity. Okay, so my opacity is 43%. Then I can go to effects, click on effects, then I'll click here and then give it some blur. Okay, so we want to blur it a bit. So the blur, let's use 43. Okay, so we just want to make it blur a bit, so the image behind it to look blurry a bit. Okay, so all we have to do now is to highlight all. If we are okay with this, and then click Ctrl G to group, or you can right click and then you can click on group selection. Okay, so since I've already grouped them, you can see they are now a unified whole. Okay,